Dugard in Hove. I'm in their showroom. We come here quite frequently as machines come and go. Today I'm going to talk to you about the opportunity to purchase a meter machining centre with over a whopping 20% discount. That's correct, you heard me right, 20% discount off of some of the machines that I'm going to tell you about now. Now the Dugard 1000 range, you have the 1000 machining centre, you have the 1000 XP, and then you have the 1000 Super XP. The XP stands for extra performance. Now all three of these models are carrying that over 20% discount at the moment, so you need to talk to Dugard about what that means in monetary terms. What I can tell you is that the 1000 machining centre, if you were looking at the standard 1000 VMC, it's 1050 by 640, 640 in the y-axis by 560 in the Z. You've got 30 meters a minute in the rapids, and you've got a 10,000 RPM, 18.5 kilowatt spindle, and a 24 station tool changer. Now that is the Dugard 1000 machining centre. Weighs just under 6 tons. So if you compare that then to the XP, you've got a faster machine which gives you 44 meters a minute in rapids. You've got a 12,000 RPM spindle, so a faster spindle, and you've got things like through spindle coolant, chip flushing, and that machine comes in at an extra, well in fact it's just under 7 tons, so a bigger machine, a faster machine. Now the super performance, what are we talking there? Well, we're talking a machine with the 44 meters a minute in the rapid still, but now you've got 15,000 RPM spindle. So there really you've got the options between 3 machines, all of which are carrying that whopping 20% plus discount. Talk to Dugard, visit their website, their new website in fact, at dugard.com.